Quickly respond in chat. Am I audible, guys? Faster. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Thank you very much. On the people, those who have responded, still people are there. Those who are yet to respond, please respond quick. And good to see you all. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. By the way, are you wondering who is this guy? Entered into the class without the basic introduction also. Started writing a program full of board. And is he expecting us to understand whatever is written on the board? Are you thinking like this? Or you know me very well? Do you know me? So let me introduce myself. I am Arun Kumar Ganiger. I am a technical trainer at the V04 Solutions. I'll be taking your batch with respect to backend classes. I'll be taking care of it. For front end and other technologies, for other things, other trainers also will be there. But I'll be one of the main trainer for your entire batch. So my class started the moment I entered. For me, batch started the moment I have entered into the class. Am I clear? Okay, listen very carefully. We have started our job the moment batch started. Now you need to follow instructions. By the way, let me ask you before anything else. Of course, we will not discuss this much program from the day one. I mean, of course, I'm not going to torture you from the day one. First day will be little chill pill, light. Let's move forward. Hello. Louder. Online folks, can I expect a response from your end? And let me tell you, don't end up writing YES space SIR. You type Y if you want to say yes. If you want to say no, simply say N. That is enough for me. Yeah, let me see. Everybody, faster now. All of you, when I perfect. Faster. Voice is slow. Is it better now? Voice is better now? Hello, is it better now? Okay, perfect. Lokesh, is it comfortable now? Quick. Lokesh, and I'll be looking here to your chat responses most of the time. Okay, perfect. Everybody is comfortable? Okay, then. By the way, let me ask you, what is the purpose we are here for? Why are you here at V stand for each solutions? To? Oh. Answers, please. Online folks, why are we here? Faster. Everybody. Any reason you joined V stand for you? Or somebody is joining, I also joined along with that person. To improve skills. To do what? To get the job. Over here, to learn Java. Okay. To learn skills and crack the job. Okay. Java training. Those who are saying Java training or to learn Java. To do what? Faster. Why are we learning Java? Why are we here to get trained in Java? So that faster to get the job. So can I say some or other way? All of us want. Can I say somewhere here? Say we want job. All of us are here for the job. Can I say? Each one of us are here only for the job. Anybody came for any other intention? Over here, respond in chat. Let me get few things very clear. Anybody here for apart from job, any other intention? Time pass. My crush joined. I also joined. Anybody like that? Yes, no, fast. Guys, only 3 people responded. Fast. Everybody get the job. Any other reason is not there. Am I right? And if I actually tell you, if you focus somewhere or here, say consider you are the person over here. This is all of you. This is you. And what do you want is job. In other words, can I say, sir, in order to get the job, you actually have to go through with learning all these skills, and finally you'll be able to respond, you'll be able to get the job. Agree? Can I say everybody clear? Funda is simple, guys. See, why did I started writing without the interaction itself? Reason is, this is what my job is. Every day I'll come, I'll write a program, explain it to you, then we'll have a practical implementation. This is what my daily routine I'll do every day with you from the day when I started. I'm not expecting you to know everything, whatever I'm writing over here. It's just the day one. And most of you are here for the demo sessions. Let's see how it goes. We'll decide later. So initial 5 days are the demo sessions where you can take the decision whether to continue with the V stand for solutions or not. Agree? Am I right? But boss, my job started the moment I started the batch. The moment I entered into the class, my task started. This is what my job. Almost every day I'll be doing same activity. I'll be explaining the programs to you and expecting you will understand along with me. Over here, online folks, faster. Yeah, good. Sai Charan, remaining. Faster, faster. Guys, you have to be rapid, fast, and most over. And first of all, remaining anything else. Anybody, if at all there is anybody who has joined from mobile, immediately switch to the laptop, please. Because if you really want to learn with mobile, you cannot be able to learn. I'll be keep asking you questions. You have to be keep on responding. And with mobile, 2 fingers, how much will you type? Quickly move to the laptop and please put your phone on silent mode and keep it away. People, those who are attending from online. Humble request, if you really want to learn, join from laptop, keep your mobile away from you. And please don't keep any social media tab open. Snap, Insta, WhatsApp, close all those applications in your laptop also. And then you start. Because see, if you're here for every day, couple of hours with me, I want to give best possible from my end. Don't you think you also should try your level best to receive whatever I'm going to explain it to you? Agree? Am I right? You also should try your genuine efforts. Agree? If I am only working hard and you will not put efforts at all, do you think some miracle going to happen? Nothing going to happen unless you practice along with me. You walk along with me, you'll be able to connect with me. Am I right? Agree? Okay, sir. Focus. Moving forward. By the way, in this program, whatever is written, tell me, is there anything you understand or heard about? Anything you heard? Something? You never heard about anything at all? Few things like front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. Heard about MySQL? Agree? And Java as well. Agree, na? Few things like say soft skill is required to get the job, resume preparation, communication skills, mock interviews. See, ultimately, if I need to tell you, this is what the syllabus, whatever is written over here, is the entire syllabus of what you are going to study over here. This is what you want to be trained. Let me explain you. See, what is there in backend? Java, core Java, advanced Java. Then front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. Database, MySQL is there. Logical programming, reasoning, logical, agree, na? Aptitude, reasoning. Then soft skills, resume preparation, communication skills, mock interviews. Whatever you're going to learn, everything I have listed here in a form of a program. Rather than I can also show you very good Dinchak PPT and all. But boss, this is what me, a technical person. This is how I'll be moving forward. And being technical person now moving forward onwards, you also need to become the one, a good programmer. You should be able to convey your messages as programs. Agree? Okay, sir. Now, let me ask you most important thing. How many of you are from CSIS background? Type I in chat, straight hand. CSIS background. Type I in chat faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Over here, how about Which branch? EC. Okay, sir. Okay, others, which branch or which graduation, if not engineering? Quickly respond in chat. Faster. Hello, hello, hello. Everybody from CS only, na? How come? Entire batch, nobody is there, but from couple of people. Okay, then fine. Let's move forward. Now let's understand most important thing. Guys, all of us are here for one purpose. What is the purpose? Get our job. And as a roadmap, if I need to tell you, as of now, we are here. As per me, each one of you have no idea about whatever is written. There is no program you have done not a single program you have written in your life. You don't know what is a program at all. From there, I want to start the journey. Is that okay? Everybody? Okay, sir. Moving forward, whatever the program is, they're fine. Shall I wipe the board? Shall I wipe the board? As of now, I'm not explaining anything about it. We will be moving forward. I guarantee you, give me few days of time. Whatever is written, everything, every single thing, even the small dot is also there. Pay attention. Can you see everywhere system dot out dot? Can you see? There are few places you see these kind of brackets. What are these called? Parentheses are there. Few places you will find flower brackets, right? Curly brackets. Agree? Few places you will find square brackets. And can you see? Arrays. There are many things. If you observe, see, few places starting with uppercase, few places starting with lowercase. Are you getting my point? See, system is in uppercase, out, P, O and P are in lowercase. There are so many things are over here. Let me start revealing step by step, point by point. We will start learning it. Many doubts are there. Every single will be clear. Shall I proceed? But before anything else, let me ask you one thing. Say, for example, have you heard about Tours and Travels? Anybody? Tours and Travels? There is a business called Tours and Travels. Any idea? Tours and Travels. What they do? Tour packages are there. You heard? Tirupati tour package is there. Shirdi tour package is there. Heard? So many tour packages are there. What they do actually? They plan the entire journey. Okay. Do they ask something from you? You need to pay something to them for that journey, whatever is you wanna do it, right? This journey to do what? To reach where? Where do you want to reach? Are you getting my point? Listen to the question. Whatever these tours and travel, there is a business called Tours and Travel. What they do? They plan the journey for the customers. Agree? They plan the journey for the customer to send where? Wherever customer want to go or wherever I want to send? Wherever customer wants to go. So in that case, can I say one simple scenario? Say you are the people from Tours and Travels. You have one business of Tours and Travels. Consider I am your customer. I come to you and I say, Mama, I want to go to, any nice mountain, do you know where I can, mountain climbing I can do? Mountains, any know? Any name of mountains, you know? Mountain names? Any mountain name? Have you heard any mountain? Everest. Chalo, we'll go with the Everest. Consider, I want to climb Everest. What do you think? Will I be able to climb? Yes or no? Consider I can climb. I have the confidence. And I want you to plan a trip to the Mount Everest. Agree? And say you have said, sir, this is the amount. I paid the amount. Agree? Since I have paid the amount to you, is it possible that I can say, Mama, see, anyway, I have paid the amount, whatever you asked me to pay for the entire journey. Why don't you do one thing? You only climb and come. I'll be here only in Bangalore. Is this going to happen? Does it make sense, by the way? And I will say, I have climbed the Mount Everest because I paid, no? Does this make sense? Absolutely not. Similarly, over here also, if you are joining a course where you are supposed to learn something, don't be in an attitude, sir, I have paid the fees. Because paying fees is one part. You daily practicing, attending the classes, attending all the mock interviews, doing assignments on time, completing the task is something gonna make you the programmer. Just by joining the course does not, no miracle gonna happen. Am I making sense to each one of you? If you have joined, first day itself, let me clear most important thing. You have to practice along with me. You have to study every single day. Then only you will become a programmer. Am I clear? Everybody, is this clear to all of you? Okay, sir. What's happened? Okay, pay attention now. So can I say as of now, let me wipe the board? Okay, na? And I have a video to show you all. Can I expect you to watch the video very carefully, because I'll be asking questions on that. That's not a time pass video. Very important video is there. I'll be discussing about it once you watch it. So let me quickly switch to the video mode. And as soon as I start play the video, online folks, if any issue with respect to audio or video comes, please ensure to respond in chat. I'll be keep reading your chats while you are watching. Pay attention. Just a minute, we'll start. Just.
ये शायद दुनिया का सबसे मुश्किल मिलिट्री सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस है और इसमें 10% से भी कम लोग कामयाब हो पाते हैं। ये प्रोबेशन के बेहद मुश्किल 36 घंटे के स्ट्रेस फेज की शुरुआत है। इसमें प्रोबीस से बार बार रूटीन एक्सरसाइजेस कराई जाएंगी जब तक कि कोई हार नहीं मान लेता।
के अंदर इनको सोने नहीं दिया जाता है और पूरा फिजिकली और मेंटली हर चीज का स्ट्रेस इनके ऊपर डाला जाता है।
इसके दो मकसद हैं। एक तो हमें पता चलता है कि उसका ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट क्या है, दूसरा इंडिविजुअल को ये पता चल जाता है कि मैं यहाँ तक स्ट्रेस ले सकता हूँ।
प्रोबेशनर्स को 12 फुट गहरे टैंक में उतारा गया। बर्फ जैसे ठंडे पानी में सिमुलेटेड ड्राउनिंग से उन्हें सिर्फ जिंदा रहने लायक मामूली ऑक्सीजन मिलती है। इस टेस्ट से ये पता चलेगा कि क्या वो एक्सट्रीम स्ट्रेस झेल सकते हैं या नहीं, और ट्रेनिंग टीम प्रोबी नंबर 2 पर दबाव बढ़ा देती है।
अभी हम लोग हाथ पैर बांध के पानी में से डालते हैं, हमको पता है कि कितनी देर बाद इसको निकालना है, हमको चेक करना है कितना बर्दाश्त कर सकते हैं। इसका मकसद है आपका दिल से डर निकालना।
लेकिन आखिरकार हाइपोक्सिया उसे तोड़ देता है, यानी ऐसी हालत जिसमें ऑक्सीजन की कमी से दिमाग काम करना बंद कर देता है। इससे पहले कि हमारे ज्यादातर कमांडोज अपने शरीर को एक हथियार की तरह इस्तेमाल करें, इंस्ट्रक्टर्स मेहनत करवाकर इन्हें सही तरह ढाल रहे हैं। जवानों को घातक योद्धाओं में बदल दिया जाता है, जहां दर्द की कोई हद नहीं, नींद के कोई नखरे नहीं, और एक अनजान डर लगातार आपका दुश्मन रहता है। बहुत कुछ दांव पर लगा है। कामयाब हुए तो ये बनेंगे घातक कमांडोज, और नाकाम हुए तो सब कुछ फिर से शुरू। इंडियाज पैराट्रूपर्स, ये हमेशा आतंकवाद के खिलाफ दुनिया भर में छिड़ी जंग में सबसे आगे रहते हैं। आज इन्हें पैराट्रूपर स्पेशल फोर्सेस ऑपरेटिव्स कहा जाता है, या सिर्फ पैरा एसएफ, और ये भारतीय सेना के सबसे मजबूत, सबसे तेज और सबसे ज्यादा ट्रेन्ड सैनिकों में से है। और इस गलती की कमांडो स्कूल में एक ही सजा है।
उस नाले में कोई नहीं जाना चाहता, क्योंकि उसकी बदबू इतनी गंदी होती है, इतनी गंदी कि कोई उसे बर्दाश्त भी नहीं कर सकता।
पुण्य नाले का नाम सुनते तो नींद उड़ जाती है।
It is very smelly. आप कपड़े धोने के लिए देते हैं तो एक हफ्ते तक उसमें स्मेल नहीं जाती है।
पत्थर वत्थर कीड़े मकोड़े सब कुछ चलते हैं वहाँ पर।
एक कमांडो की गलती का नतीजा ये सब भुगत रहे हैं। कमांडो अभियानों में एक आदमी की गलती सबकी मौत का कारण बन सकती है। इसलिए ट्रेनर के लिए पूरे ग्रुप को सजा देने का मकसद है कि आइंदा कोई भी कमांडो कभी भी अपना हथियार भूल न पाए। ये सबक उन्हें हमेशा याद रहे। इसलिए उन्हें खूनी नाले की भयानक बदबू और गंदगी से गुजारा जा रहा है, ताकि ये गलती दोबारा ना हो। प्रोबेशनर्स 10 किलो बैटल लोड और अपने हथियार लेकर दौड़ते हैं, यानी कुल 17 किलो वजन। ग्राउंड जीरो सुबह के 7 बजे प्रोबीज अपनी जिंदगी की सबसे अहम दौड़ के लिए तैयार हो रहे हैं।
ओके, रेडी, गो।
एक फुल मैराथन 42.195 किलोमीटर लंबी होती है। प्रोबीज को इससे दुगनी से भी ज्यादा दूरी तय करनी है। यह पैरा स्पेशल फोर्सेस की 100 किलोमीटर की एंड्योरेंस दौड़ है। सर्किट को खास तौर से ट्रेनिंग टीम चुनती है। पहले स्ट्रेच में 10 किलोमीटर, उसके बाद रामपुर और डक्कल के बीच 30 किलोमीटर के 3 राउंड्स।
पहले तो बहुत डर लग रहा था यार, 100 किलोमीटर में 10 किलोमीटर नहीं दौड़ा जाता, 100 किलोमीटर कैसे दौड़ेंगे।
100 किलोमीटर गाड़ी भी धुआं छोड़ती है, तो हम तो खैर इंसान है।
मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ हम यही चेक कर लेते हैं, उनके फेस एक्सप्रेशंस या उनके जोश या उनके मोराल को देख के हम पढ़ लेते हैं कि हाँ ये कर सकता है, ये कर सकता है, ये नहीं कर पाएगा।
सूरज ढलने के साथ ही ठंड बढ़ने लगती है और थकान की वजह से उनके मसल्स क्रैम्प होने लगते हैं। अंधेरा होने पर अलर्ट रहना और भी मुश्किल हो जाता है।
थोड़े छाले पड़ गए थे, पानी वाले नहीं, ब्लड वाले छाले आ गए थे नीचे।
इनकी फिटनेस को पूरी तरह जांचने के लिए इनसे 3 और टास्क करवाए जाते हैं। रस्सी चढ़ना, लंबी छलांग और 60 मीटर की तेज रेस, क्योंकि कमांडो ऑपरेशंस में एक फौजी की शारीरिक क्षमता जीत और हार का फर्क बन सकती है। इसलिए ये इंस्ट्रक्टर्स इन फौजियों के साहस और सहनशीलता की हद जानना चाहते हैं।
Again, now, respond in chat. Hello, hello. Great. And our discussion, what we were discussing, there is a training of the command special group, right? In that, the people, the professionals, the trainees, they were all almost similar to yours, 21, 22. Agree? And when you see the amount of effort they were putting over 100 kilometers of run, which is a usual thing for long jump, high jump, running into the water, what not, everything they are doing it. Ice water. Did you see? They were being dipped into the ice water. Such a hard level of training they are doing it at the age where you are today. And over here, of course, I'm not going to make you do all that. Relax. I'm not that kind of trainer, but you tell me at your age, if these people are putting that much amount of efforts, can I expect a little from you? Can I expect a little from you? Yes or no? Faster. Can I expect at least little, some sincerity, some discipline, some commitment, some dedication? Can I expect? All of you faster. Yeah. Fine. Now pay attention what I'm saying is. See, you don't need to literally put this much of a amount of effort where risk of your life. Nothing is like that. Simple. It's all about IT training, programming you need to learn. And there is only one way to learn programming is by doing it. You write the programs along with me what I'm doing it. Slowly, gradually, soon you will be able to easily able to make it. That I assure you. Every day, apart from the class, genuine efforts of a couple of hours, 2 to 3 hours every day minimum, I'm saying. If you can spend more than 5-6 hours apart from classroom, nobody can hold you to get the job. In bank, see, whole world, as per the whole world, the Indians are the best for the IT. Do you agree? We Indians are known as the best IT engineers. Yes, no? Agree? And in entire India, best places. Best place for IT, where IT jobs are maximum in entire India. Where is that city? Bangalore. We are here in that. Agree? And Here, so many jobs are there, provided you should have certain desired skills at the industry level. Whatever industry expert expect you to know it, if you know that much, more than enough. And nothing much is being expected from a fresher. You must understand the basic things at least. Even if you can tell that properly, more than enough for us. Basic logical programming, I'm sure you would have heard out some programs. Prime number, factorial number, Fibonacci series, Armstrong number, heard, leap year. Basic few programs are there. Patterns programs are there. Array programs are there. String palindrome or not. Few things which is damn obvious, you must know at least. At least I'm saying. The more you know, better the chances are. Simple. And if you can't even learn this much, you tell me what are you busy doing? After, can I say graduation is done for each one of you? First, faster response. Graduation is done for each one of you faster. Yes, no? Graduation is done for each one of us. Utmost priority is only one. Priority of the life is what? What? Get the, each one of us, am I clear? Get the job. In order to get the job, can't you sincerely sit for a couple of hours a day on a chair and practice? Is it impossible? Possible. And if I'm asking you to do that effort every day, couple of hours, you sit next to the laptop and type. Something too big am I asking you? Is it doable? Louder. Is it doable? Yes, sir, it is doable. And trust me, of course, when all of us, when even I started learning programming, initially all of us hate programming. The reason is, no matter what we type, error is there. Agree? Whatever we type, errors are the biggest roadblock. They are enemies for us to learn programming. Agree? Biggest problem is the errors. I guarantee from the day one itself, I'm telling you, you wait for few days. So I'll guarantee within 5 days. 5 days of demos are there, right? 5 days of demos are there, right? I say, listen, even 5 day or 10 day demos are there. Within 5 days, I guarantee within 5 days, I'll write a program. You will tell, sir, this is the output. No, sir, error is there. Exactly dot to dot error you will tell. Within online folks, within 5 days, I guarantee I will write a code. I'll explain everything. Whenever I type the code, before I execute it, you will tell, sir, this is the output will come. Sir, this is the error will come. If at all any error is coming. That error dot to dot you will tell. In no one or two program, I'll write so many programs. Whatever concept I have explained, on that concept, any program comes. You will say 100% confidence. Louder. Clear? Commitment within 5 days, I guarantee I'll bring you to a state where I will write a program. You will say, I understood what will happen now. I know what, not just what is seen. Behind the screen, what is happening, that also you'll be able to do. Within. But boss, 5 days you have to listen to instruction, whatever I'm going to give, and please follow my instructions. If you do so easily, then you take the decision. I guess demo is for 10 days. Initial 5 days, let's see whether I'm able to teach you or not. I should also have the capability to teach you, na? Agree? Let's see in these demo sessions for you. Demo is for you. For me, my job started the moment I entered the class. Am I right? So let me ask you, where all are you looking for the job? Where are you looking for the job, guys? Which job you want, basically? Which job you want? Any job is fine. Auto rickshaw, chai, Vattani. Which job? Bhaji bonda. All of you are sure you want a job of IT. Agree? So basically, in other words, you are telling me, sir, a software job you are looking for. Am I right? A job of, and of course, all of us are very much aware. Two types of jobs are very popular in IT at a fresher level: software developer and software tester. Full stack developer, basically. Ultimately, software developer, right? What are these people doing? What is the job of a software developer? Would be, as per the designation, software developer is somebody who develop a software. Agree? We will start from this point only. Our discussion will start from what is software development all about? How can we build a software all about? Shall we start? Everybody? Okay, sir. Faster response, please. Shall we start? What is software development all about? Okay, now? Quick response, guys. Only 2-3 people are responding. Remaining, guys, unless you respond, there is no motivation for me to continue the class, as well as you will not be able to concentrate. If you are here, give your 100% focus to it. Now pay attention. Sir, in order to proceed with software development, there are few certain standard procedures are there. In our computer science industry, standard procedures are there to build a software. They are called as, anybody heard about SDLC? Heard. I heard somewhere. Yes, no? Somebody heard? Hello? Others? Are Baba, if you didn't heard, type N, no problem. I'll explain. That is what my job is, na? Heard? Perfect. Very good. Somebody heard. Over here, anybody heard? Yes, branch leader. You didn't heard about? Or you didn't heard about? Software engineering, 5th semester? 5th semester of the subject, no? Software engineering? There is something called SDLC, stand for Software Development Life Cycle. That's what you studied. Okay, anybody who says, I know software development life cycle very well, sir. EC people, relax. We are friends. EC, mechanical, civil, electrical, non-engineering background. Relax. Let these people try. They have studied computer science, information science. Bhai? Hello. SDLC. By the way, COVID batch, huh? Thanks. Earlier, whichever, I mean, few batches back, whenever we used to ask anything, sir, COVID batch. You don't ask anything, COVID batch. If I ask, do you know binary or and, sir, we don't know what is binary only. You don't ask binary, decimal, octal. Huh? Truth table, true, false, false. We don't know all this. Engineering completed. 9 CGPA. Candidates were there. Thank God COVID batches are over. Although few impacts of COVID is still there. But can you please help me with this? SDLC, anybody? I guess Lokesh is the only one person. Okay. Waterfall model. Yeah, RAD model, waterfall model, agile model. Let me start. See, if I ask a question, just to know from where should I start the discussion. It is not to disappoint you or humiliate you and all. Let's get started. What is software development life cycle? Before that, shall I give you one small scenario? Hello? Faster response. Can I give you a small scenario? Just to discuss our concept. Okay, guys, pay attention. Very important. Consider somewhere midnight is the time, 12:30 is the time. And I'm a bit hungry. I don't want to cook anything, but I want to eat something really good. Like options. What are the good options? What to eat? Eat options. Eating options. Biryani, egg rice, huh? Pizza. Over here, online folks, any suggestions for me? Biryani, very good. Sai. Others? Biryani, pizza, burger, momos, sandwiches. So many options are there. And if I need any of these items, I have to make use of some online application, right? Name some name. Swiggy, Zomato, Uber Eats. Agree? Take any of the example like this. Okay, now? Consider you are the developers. Those who are building a food delivery application. What are you building? Food delivery application. Agree? Because see, I'm going to give you a scenario. I'll ask a question. Listen very carefully. Nothing for time pass I'm doing it. Please pay attention. There is a food delivery application needs to be built by You people, suppose you are software developers, okay? You're working in a team. Am I clear? Okay, sir. Now consider your application has been built, and being myself being a customer, I want to order from your application, food delivery application, whatever you are creating. Agree? Now I will select the order, whatever order I want to make. I have selected, made the payment, and order has been placed. Restaurant, and you understand there are multiple people involved in this order delivery. One, the one who is ordering, customer. There is somebody who is preparing, cooking. What are those called? Where this cooking will happen? Perfect. Restaurants, hotels. Agree, na? So restaurant people will be cooking the food. I have ordered the food from restaurant to my doorstep. Somebody will deliver it. So who's that person? Delivery partner. So delivery partner will pick the food from restaurant and deliver it to the customer doorstep. Agree? Am I clear? This is what the job of a delivery guy. Yes or no? Agree? So customer, I myself have placed the order. Restaurant people have prepared the order. Some delivery boy has taken and deliver it to my doorstep. Am I clear? Everybody? But the point is, the moment this delivery partner reached to my place, suppose our delivery partner has to the customer place, started calling the customer. Possibility that customer is not picking the call. Possibility is there, na? What to do now? Pardon? Contact customer care and then tell that customer is not receiving. Then what customer would say? Cancel the order immediately. Let's try something. If nothing is left over, then that's what you are telling. No. What are the options? First basic thing, call once again. I called, customer didn't receive. Immediately, try once more at least. Agree? Chalo, I'll give you options in an easier way. First option. Guys, you have to listen to it. All the options very carefully. I'll ask questions to you. First option. Our delivery guy should be keep on calling customer unless he die. We will be keep calling forever. Keep calling, keep calling, keep calling. One option. Second option. See, the point is, customer might be little busy somewhere. He has called, he might be inside the washroom, taking bath, or might be in some meeting, online meeting, or some office work, whatever is that. Is this the customer? Yes. Yes or no? Who has ordered the food? Did we got the food? Yes, no? Is this the doorstep? Do we know? Address exact? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Why don't we leave the food at the doorstep? Second option, leave the food at the doorstep. First is keep calling. Second, leave at the doorstep. Third option, customer is not picking. What if I leave the at doorstep and neighbor will come and pick it? Dog come and eat the food. Then better he is not picking the call, right? Let's give it back to the third option is give it back to the agree. First option, keep calling. Second option, leave at the doorstep. Third option, send it back to restaurant. Agree? Fourth option, our delivery boy is very poor, very hungry since morning, is keep delivering it. Anyway, customer is not responding. What do you say? Let our delivery boy enjoy the biryani. Fourth option, let the delivery boy have fun. Four options given. One, keep calling. Second, leave at the doorstep. Third, give it back to the restaurant. Fourth, let our delivery boy enjoy. Which one do you all prefer? Answer in chat. 1, 2, 3, 4. I repeat. First, keep calling. Second, leave at the doorstep. Third, send it back to the restaurant. Fourth, let the delivery boy have the meal. How about you? Anybody with first option? Keep calling. Second option, leave at the doorstep. Third option, give it back to the restaurant. Fourth option, let the delivery boy have fun. How about you? Which option? Then what to do in this case? You are that delivery boy having the food in hand. Customer is not responding. What to do? What's your name? Yusuf. Yusuf Pathan. Muhammad Yusuf. So tell me, what will you do in this case? Hurry, Yusuf, you do something, no man. Any other option do you have apart from these 4 options? Hey, slow processor is there. Faster. Okay, majority of us saying 3 or 4. 3 and 4. Either give it back to the restaurant or let the delivery boy enjoy. Agree? By the way, are you the owner of the application? Are you the owner of the business of this food delivery application, or you are just a developer? You are just a... Who gave you authority to decide what to do in this case? Are you understanding? Are you understanding the point? Are you supposed to take the decision? What is your job? Build the application. Build the application whichever you want or which customer want. See, somebody is there who wants this application to be built. They will tell you what should be built. You will build that, or I am building whatever I want. Or you will tell the customer, Brahmasmi, I'll decide what I want. Is that the case? Are you supposed to take the decision? Yes or no? Faster, guys. Are you supposed to take the decisions? Nah. You are supposed to follow what? What customer has asked. Agree? Sir, how do I know what customer has asked? Pay attention. First step of SDLC. SDLC, first thing, whenever we are about to start the software development, before starting the software development, first thing, let's get all the requirement, detailed requirement, means what needs to happen in this application in whichever possible scenario comes. Every single scenario detail, we will agree. We will require every single thing. Yes or no? Let's ask every single detail from the client, the one who wants us to build the application. You understand? We are the software developers. Somebody else has a business. They want a software to be built for their business by us. Am I clear? And that client will have further customers who will be using the application. Am I making sense to each one of you? Agree? Agree? Now listen, an important first step. Very important. First step is called, read along with me, guys. Requirement. Very good. Requirement gathering. What is this called? Requirement gathering. What does it happen in this case? We get every single detailed information from the client and create into a document. Because see, so many things would have been telling. Who will remember everything? So better create one document. We'll create one document. In that document, every single detail about the requirement will be written. So if any confusion is there, we will refer to that document. Oh, in this scenario, what needs to be done? Out of these 4 options, whatever client has decided, we have to build the application like that. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point, everybody? Online folks. So requirement gathering is all about getting the details, what needs to be done in which case. Am I clear? That is what? Requirement gathering. There are some specialized people, those who will be doing it. They are called BA or PA. What is BA? What is BA? Business analyst and product analyst. There are people called business analyst and product analyst. These are the specialized people of that particular industry. Say, if you are building a food application, somebody would have been good years of experience into the food application. If you are building a textile application, somebody should be very good into that. Are you getting my point, everybody? And these people will create something called a document which is called BRD, Business Requirement Document. Are you getting my point? Or also known as CRS, Customer Requirement Specification. I repeat, in order to build a software, we have to follow what? Software development life cycle, which are the standard steps to be followed by anybody in order to build a software. Am I clear? What is that called? SDLC. SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. In that, first thing, what do we do? First thing, let's get all the requirement, what needs to be built. Who are these people? These are people called business analyst or product analyst. They will create a document called business requirement document or customer requirement specification. Business requirement document or customer requirement specification. Who are these people? Business analyst or product analyst. What is this entire process is called? Requirement gathering. Agree? Now we have gathered all the requirement. Am I clear? Now we will do second part. Second part is software analysis. What are we doing? Software analysis. What is that? In this software analysis, we will detail analysis of the requirement we will do technically. Or what does it mean by this, sir? Let me help you with that. Pay attention now. Sir, as of now, in order to build this application, what all required? Say, for example, one application is to be built. In order to build this application, how many engineers required? We need some software engineers, right? Those who want to build the application, yes or no? Agree? Some people will be involved to build the application. Agree? Any project is there. If you want to complete the project, you need engineers to complete that project. Agree? Am I making sense? How many required? That analysis needs to be done na? Before we start the project. Are you getting my point? Able to understand? If we have to complete one project, how many people required to complete the project? One analysis. How much of time? We have to calculate. If these many people, 100 engineers, this much of time required. Agree? For 100 engineers, salary will go into this much. Other expenses will go this much. After all of this, something should be left for the company also. Profit. Agree? How much is the budget of the project? We have to decide every single aspect about it. We will do analysis, detailed analysis of the project, cost, timing, resource, everything into this. Am I right? Agree? Everybody clear? Software analysis phase. Can I expect you to understand everything very clearly? No confusion, guys? Sure? In this software analysis, whatever analysis has done, now what are we going to do? We will create a document for this. Who will be creating this? PL or PM? Project lead or project manager? These are technical people. Do you agree? Am I right? So these people will create one document called FRD or called SRS. Heard? Functional requirement document. Software requirement specification. Are you getting my point? Now try to understand. First step. Get the requirement from the client. What application is to be built? Who are these people? BA or PA? BA stand for analyst and product analyst. Business requirement document. Customer requirement specification. In this entire project, detailed information is there in this one document. Agree? But this is a non-technical document. Technical people comes who? Project lead and the project manager. These are the technical people. Agree? See, business analysts and all, they are non-technical. Non-technical means they don't know computer science, software development terminologies. They understood the basic requirement. That equivalent technical information, what database should be used, what language should be used, what should be the duration of the project, what should be the cost of the project, how many employees required. Everything will be done as part of the software analysis by the project lead and project manager. They will also create one document, functional requirement document or software requirement specification. Am I clear? After this, they will do what? Next step. Next, third step comes software designing. What does it mean by software designing? Before creating the actual product, they'll create one choto prototype. Choto model will create it. Are you getting my point? If you would have seen big buildings are there, before creating the actual physical structure, they'll create one chota model. Agree? Why? Just to ensure, get the confirmation from the client, this is what we are going to build. This is how the end product would look like. These are the functionality. These are the feature will be there. In this case, this is how the application will behave. One. Are you able to understand, everybody? Why? So that later, once application has been created, our client should not come and say, hey, this is what I don't want. I want it this way. And then we will say, no, you said it like this. We don't want fight later. Let's get everything clear before itself. What? This is what you want. We have created one model. Is it similar to what your expectation? Yes or no? So that will actual product building will start. If customer says yes. Are you with me? Able to understand? Before creating the actual bigger project, we create one model, small choto prototype. Able to understand? Who are these people? Those who are going to build it? These people are called UI or UX developers. What are this? User interface or user experience developers. They'll create one small prototype of the entire application and they'll give the one presentation to the client. If any changes is there, we'll do it here itself. Once everything is done, we have got the requirement from the client. Agree? What is the first phase? Requirement. What is the first phase? Requirement gathering. Who are these people? Business analyst or product analyst. What are these people documenting into? Business requirement document. Customer requirement specification. Am I clear? These documents, this document, BRD or CRS, has all the detailed information about the project. Am I clear? But these are non-technical information. Means with respect to the project technical aspects, which database should be used, which language should be used, all that analysis needs to be done by project lead or project manager. They will also create one document, functional requirement document or software requirement specification. Once everything is collected, create one chotu prototype. Able to understand? One dummy model has been created. If client has approved, then we will actually start doing what? Next step, fourth step. Software actual development will start over here, where few people called programmers, also known as software developers, agree, will be there. What are they going to do? Coding. Am I right? Array, what software developers would do? Writing programs, coding, agree? Here, this is the phase where actual software development will happen. See, first phase, what did we do? We got what do you want to build. Then we added, we have done the technical aspect analysis, software analysis, we have done it. Then we have created one dummy model of it. If everything is okay, then we have started the actual software development. Am I clear? Software will be built over here only, agree? After this, what's next? Anyway, software has been built. Let's give it to the client. No. We have built it, but we are not sure it is functioning as per the requirement given. Agree, na? And we will always compare with this one. What is this called? Functional requirement document or software requirement specification. Because see, this is the technical document. This is non-technical document anyway. Just normal text is written. This is the document we have to refer. Whatever is written over here, we have to build. What? Software development will happen as per the FRD or SRC. Am I clear? Agree? Now entire software development will happen as per the functional requirement document. We have done the coding. Is it really functioning as per the SRS or not? Who will ensure to check it? Some specialized people called software tester. Testing is the next phase, sorry. Software testing is the next phase. First is requirement gathering, software analysis, software designing, development, and software testing. Here, few people are called, those people are called what? QA or SE. ST. One is called quality assurance engineer or software testers. These are the people gonna ensure our application, whatever has been developed, that exactly function as per the functional requirement document. Am I clear? Who are these people? Those who are going to ensure? They are called quality assurance engineers or software testers. Am I clear? Next. Oh, sorry. This is 5, not 2. Next is what? 6th step. We have built the application. We have tested, is it working or not? Yes or no? After this, what do? We have to deliver the application also, no? Software deployment. What is this called? Whatever application we have built it, that has to be kept alive so that entire world people can access it. People from across the globe should be able to access this application. When we deploy this, whatever software application we have built into some machine, say server machine, able to understand? From there, all the customers will be able to access this application. Am I right? Everybody able to understand? Yes or no? Now, software deployment will be done by infrastructure team or deployment team. I'm sure you would have heard network admin, database admin. Heard? Cloud engineers, DevOps. These are the people. Sir, everything is done. Our application is live and running. Everybody is using it. Anything else left over or something is there? Last step. What is the last step? Basically support or maintenance. Agree? What is the support or maintenance? If at all any issue comes, what? They are called bug fixes. What is that? Bug fixing. If at all any issue comes tomorrow, or few upgrades, if any new requirement comes, some changes are there, upgrades. Who are gonna, these people? They are called software support engineers. Who are these people called? Software support engineers. What are they gonna do? Once the application has been built, then in case any further changes comes after building the application or anything is not working, these people, you understand, entire machine has been built, some screw loose is there. Who are these people? Software support engineers. What they're gonna do? Ongoing, if any bugs are there, bugs means some issues are there, they will be fixing it. Or tomorrow some little changes, slight here and there, chotu-motu changes are there. Upgrades. Who will handle? Support engineers team. Agree? Able to understand the basic process of software development life cycle. Total, how many phases are there? 7 phases. First phase, requirement gathering. Second phase, software analysis. Third, software designing. Fourth, software development. Software testing, software deployment, and am I clear? Sir, in the first step, what are we going? Requirement gathering, where what all needs to be built. All the details will be gathered and kept into one document called BRD or CRS. BRD stands for Business Requirement Document or Customer Requirement Specification. Who are these people? Those who are doing, they are called BA or PA. Business Analyst or Product Analyst. Louder, everybody respond please. Now pay attention. Second point, software analysis. What are we going to analyze? How much is the budget? What is the cost, budget, or how much is the duration of the project? Which language should be used? Which database should be used? How many engineers required to complete this entire application? All analysis will be done during software analysis by project lead or the project manager. And they will also create one technical document. This is the technical document, which is meant for the software engineers. What is this called? FRD or SRS. FRD stands for Functional Requirement Document or Software Requirement Specification. What is this happening? In this phase, all the detailed analysis of the entire project, all the technical aspects will be discussed and documented. Am I clear? Once we have got the requirement, we have understood, we have created documentation, everything done. Now, before creating the actual software development, let's create one dummy model, one prototype of the entire application. Agree? Why are we doing this? So that we can get cross verification from the end user and client that yes, this is exactly what they want us to build it. There should not be any later point of confusion, right? Once application built, they say, no, I don't want this, I want that. Initial only. Let's get the confirmation. During software designing, UI or UX, user interface, user experience developers. These are the people create one dummy model of the entire application and show it to the end user. Am I clear? Once everything got the approved, yes, this is what we want to build. Then let's start the software development phase. In that case, programmers, software developers will do coding to build the actual software development. Software is being built into this phase only. Am I clear, everybody? Next phase, software. What is happening in the phase of software testing? Whatever application you have built, is it actually functioning as per the functional requirement document or not? See, this is a technical document. Everybody, these people have created one dummy prototype they have created as per FRD, because whatever is the requirement given over here, they have to create one dummy model for that. Software development happened what? As per the FRD technical document, one document everybody is referring, FRD or SRS. Agree? Software development will happen as per the SRS. Testing also will happen what? What is mentioned in SRS? What development team has done? Is it matching everything correct? If there is a gap, that is not allowed. Agree? Am I clear? Software testing has been done. If there is no issue at all, then are we ready to launch the application? Yes. In the phase, software deployment. What is happening in this phase? In the phase of software deployment, whatever application has been built will be kept live to be used by all the users across the globe. From here, our application will be live. Am I clear? After that, if in future any issue comes, ongoing changes required, for that we have software maintenance team. Am I clear? Everybody, loud and clear, faster. If this is clear, I'll give you 2 minutes of time. Quickly make a note of it. Let's start the dictation. Anybody came with notebook? Circulate the papers, please. I'll give you 2 minutes of time. Kindly make a note of it. I'll start the dictation in a couple of minutes. Shall we start? Okay, guys. Fatafat, write down SDLC as a center heading. Center heading SDLC, dictation wise. SDLC. SDLC. Software Development Life Cycle. Software Development Life Cycle. Software Development Life Cycle is a standard approach. Is a standard approach. Is a standard approach. Software development life cycle is a standard approach which needs to be followed, which needs to be followed, which needs to be followed, which needs to be followed in order to build or develop any software application. In order to build or develop any software application. In order to build or develop any software application. Am I clear? Done. Below are the various phases of SDLC. Write down, below are the various phases of SDLC. Below are the various phases of SDLC. Below are the various phases of SDLC. First one, requirement gathering. First one, requirement gathering. First one is requirement gathering. Write down. In this phase, BA, business analyst. In this phase, BA, business analyst, or PA, product analyst, business analyst, or PA, product analyst. BA or PA, business analyst or product analyst, will gather all the necessary details. Will gather all the necessary details required. All the necessary details required in order to build the application. All the necessary details required in order to build the application. In order to build the application. In order to build the application. Done. Where all the requirement will be documented as. Where all the requirement will be documented as. Where all the documents will be, where all the details will be documented as, where all the details will be documented as BRD, where all the details will be documented as BRD, business requirement document. Business requirement document, as the business requirement document, or CRS, business requirement document, or CRS, business requirement document, or customer requirement specification. CRS, customer requirement specification. Customer requirement specification. Customer requirement specification. Customer requirement specification. Done. All the details will be documented as BRD or SRS. Done. Second phase, software analysis. Software analysis. Software analysis. As part of, write down, as part of software analysis, as part of software analysis, as part of software analysis phase of SDLC, phase of SDLC, phase, PHASE, phase of SDLC. PL, project lead, or PM, project manager, project lead or project manager. As part of software analysis phase, project lead or project manager will do a technical analysis about the requirement. Will do a technical analysis about the requirement. Will do a technical analysis about the requirement. Like, will do a technical analysis about the requirement. Like, cost of the project, cost of the project, duration of the project, like cost of the project, like cost of the project, duration of the project, cost of the project, duration of the project, and which technology slash database, which technology or database required to be used, which technology or database required to be used, how many engineers required, and document all the necessary details, and document all the necessary details, in FRD or SRS, FRD or SRS, FRD or SRS. So, functional requirement document, functional requirement document, functional requirement document, or functional requirement document, or software requirement specification, or software requirement specification, or software requirement specification, software requirement specification. Done. Next, third phase, software designing. As part of software designing, third phase is software designing. As part of software designing, UI UX developer will create a prototype, in bracket dummy model, will create a prototype, a dummy model, as per the FRD, full stop. After full stop, so that we can get the confirmation from the client, that client expectation and our understanding, are in sync. Am I clear? Done. Once client approve the design, then only actual product will be built. Then only actual product will be built. Am I clear? Then only actual product will be built. Next, fourth phase, software development. In this phase of SDLC, write down, in this phase of SDLC, the actual software is being built. In this phase of SDLC, the actual software is being built. Till now, what we were doing? Time pass. What are we doing till now? Actual software is being built in software development. Till now, whatever are you doing? Time pass. Anyways, in this phase only, actual product is being built. Agree? By software developers, by software developers, by the software developers slash programmers where coding will happen as per the, where coding will be happen as per the, where coding will happen as per the, where coding will happen as per the FRD or SRS, FRD or SRS, because everybody has to follow this what, FRD or SRS. Done? Okay, sir. As per the FRD or SRS. Next phase, fifth phase, software testing. Software testing. Next phase is software testing. Once the product has been built, once the product has been built, a thorough checking is required. A thorough checking slash testing. A thorough checking slash testing is required to ensure, checking or testing is required to ensure our application function as per the, our application function as per the FRD or SRS. FRD or SRS. FRD or SRS. Am I clear? Done? These are the people called as, these are the people called as QAE. QAE. Quality Assurance Engineer. Shall I write down? Shall I write down? Quality Assurance Engineer. QAE. Quality Assurance Engineer. Or Quality Assurance Engineer or software testers. Or software testers. Quality Assurance Engineer or software testers. Post successful testing. After successful testing, our product is ready to launch. Our product is ready to launch. Our product is ready to, our product is ready to, our product is ready to launch. Next phase, software deployment. Software deployment. Since the entire project has been, built and tested, the entire project has been built and tested successfully, built and tested successfully. Now it is ready to, now it is ready to be available for all the users. Now it is ready to be available for all the users across the globe. Across the globe. So after full stop, across the globe, after full stop. So software will be deployed on a server. So software will be deployed on a server and customers can use it. Last phase, seventh, software maintenance. Software maintenance. Write down about software maintenance. Software maintenance. Software maintenance. Write down. This is the last phase of SDLC. This is the last phase of SDLC. This is the last phase of SDLC. After the software deployment, this is the last phase of SDLC. Full stop. After the software deployment, if any issues / bugs, bugs comes or any future enhancements come, then software support engineers will take care of it. Software support engineers will take care of it. Software support engineers will take care of it. Am I clear? Read all the steps very carefully. All the steps are clear. Tomorrow, ensure you get all the proper notebooks, all of you. Online folks, how about you people? Are you comfortable? All the 7 phases of SDLC absolutely clear to all of you? Yes, no, quick guys. Everybody. Faster response. Faster guys. Everybody, quick response. Great. So total, in today's agenda, we understood basic thing. What are the standard procedures are there? What are the standard steps are there, which should be followed by anybody in order to develop a software application? Agree? Where total how many steps are there? 7. Requirement gathering, software analysis, software designing, software development, software testing, software deployment, maintenance. Agree? Last step. Can I say all the 7 steps are very much clear to all of us, everybody? Sure. Can I ask questions? Now, if I ask, all of you will answer. No big deal. Tomorrow, ensure you practice and come. You wrote properly because you wrote somewhere here and there. Write down your proper notes. Come tomorrow. First thing, I'll start with the revision of SDLC. Then we'll proceed further. Am I clear? So today, I don't want to keep it too hectic. We will do everyday programming moving forward, but not initial couple of days. I want you to understand, settle down, comfortable. Then we'll start the little baby steps. Chotu program, we'll start writing it. Moving forward, I'll start raising the complexity. Okay. So I would say that's enough for the day, SDLC. Agree? And whatever we discussed today will come again and again, many places in many of the topics, whether it is interfaces, abstraction, many, you heard abstraction and all, many places it will come back, whatever we discussed today, especially FRD and SRS. Most important things are there. Whatever we discuss will come back, not just once, repeated number of times. You will see moving forward. But as part of today's discussion, that's it for the day. Tata. Bye-bye. Namaskara. See you tomorrow, same time. What is the time? 3 p.m. and ensure you come on time. Link will be shared with you all. Ensure you attend on the time without fail. And see you tomorrow. That's it for the day from my side. Bye-bye. If you have anybody, any doubt, online folks, you can respond in chat. I'll be waiting for a few minutes. Else, you can stop attending the classes. Bye. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let me give you one link where you can share the attendance. Just give me a minute. Just give me 1 minute. Quickly mark your attendance, online folks. And for offline people, let me start the projector for you. Give me a minute. Shall I wipe the board?